Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile back with another unboxing for you today. And what we have here is the Arylic BP50. Now I have the B50 over there connected to my living room TV in here, and one of the great things about it is that it has HDMI ARC. So I hit power on button on my Roku remote and it powers on the amp and it plays the audio, and I have volume control and muting and all that fun stuff. And I love everything about that amplifier except for the amplification. It's a little bit weak. And so I was always thinking, it'd be cool if I could just use this as a preamp and I could, output to a better amplifier. Well, Arylic has done it. And what they have done is they've created the BP50 here. And what this is an HDMI ARC preamplifier slash DAC. Let's go here first. So this is basically the B50 without the amplifier, which I think is really interesting because, as I said, that's the weakest link in that amplifier there. So here's the remote. It's going to be a lot like the one that I have over there. Come here, tape. Get out the way. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Here it is. It's a pretty lightweight chintzy remote, as I said in my review of the B50. But also, as I said, you don't really need it, so you can chuck it, throw it away. I guess it is kind of helpful for setup. But actually, oh, I lost something. I'll have to go get that. I think it's an antenna. Yeah, so it's going to be one of these antenna. Here they are. There's another one over there on the floor, but, basic Bluetooth Wi-Fi antenna. Nothing too special there. Let's set that in there. Guessing we got the power supply. Wow. Now, if I recall, compared to the amplifier, this is a pretty small power supply. It doesn't have to be big because this thing is not amplifying anything. Piece of foam. And here it is. It's going to take the foam with it. The BP50. And I really like the design of this. I saw it on their website, but I like the black stripe here where your LED indicators are. Here's your power button. Volume. This does have volume, so it's still going to control the volume and do all that. And then, yep, here is your ARC and your USB. I think this is host and this is DAC. Also, you have your preamp out. You actually have optical out on this one too, so you could digital out. I think you'd lose volume control then. We'll find out in the review. I got to learn some more things about this. Of course, subwoofer output, and we know now that using the Go Control app that you can control a crossover on these Arylic amps now. I really like this. And it's almost as heavy as the amplifier version, which is really interesting because there's no amplifier in this, but it weighs almost as much as the amplifier itself. Yeah, but very cool. So I'm super excited to get this installed in my system. I do plan to make a review video on this product here, so stay tuned for that. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, be sure to check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. Like and subscribe and do all that fun stuff.